Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Indonesia here. So today it's my turn to unbox a spare part Samsung Galaxy S2. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the box, as you can see. Very nice. Just cut it out. Wow, Samsung Galaxy S4. With a wrap for safety. So this is the phone. Wow, very nice, good condition. This is dark grey color. Let's see the battery. It has a battery, wow. So now let's try to charge this phone, whether it still works or not. Let's go. So here's my cable, red and black color. Let's turn on the charger brick. Let's see whether it still works or not. Nothing. I'll take him out. Turn it off. Okay, so actually my S4 has become a spare part now. The last time I did a review. So here's the phone. I already tried to open the frame. So this is my S4. The LCD broken. The motherboard still works, as you can see. The motherboard is working. Battery is good. But before that, I'm going to try to swipe the battery first. So here's the original battery. Still good, not swollen. But just try to swipe the battery. So here's the another battery. But it's a bit smaller than the actual size. You can see. I need to put a small paper. Okay, let's try to charge up, because the battery still works. Insert the cable. Oh, sorry. Let's turn on the charger brick. Oh, it works! Wow! Wow, it works! Wow, can't believe it. It works. It charged. Wow. Oh. Actually, I bought this S4 for doing spare part and doing swap the motherboard to this phone, but it works. Wow. Let's turn on the phone now. Turn off the charger brick. The display fine. Wow, it works. It boot ups. Oh, I really get shocked. The speaker works. The condition is really nice. You can see the chrome still there. Back side still good. Wow, it reached the lock screen finally. The touch, it works. Wow. Wow, 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 it works. Everything works. It vibrate? Yes, works. the Wi-Fi. Oh, it works. The home button. Oh, okay, the home button does work. It works. I see, it works. Need press a bit harder. Very nice. The camera. Oh, it works. Hi. Oh, I'm so happy. So now I have two working S4. As you can see, the last time is brown color, and now it's grey color. Actually, I have a 3 S4. 3 of them motherboard is working, and 3 of them is i9500 model. 3 of them are 3G. Very nice. Wow. Very nice. So that means it's just a battery problem, which is this one, unable to charge. And luckily I have a backup battery, put it here, and it works. Wow. So happy, really appreciate. The condition, oh wow. Nice. It's like a brand new phone. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unboxing a Samsung Galaxy S4. Actually just want to do a spare part, but now just swipe the battery, it works. In the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.